Hello, audience. Please allow me to introduce myself. My name is Mas Agus Amaraksa. I'm from School of Business Management, Institut Teknologi Bandung, under supervision of Adita Pritasari, MSM. I would like to present my research regarding the impact of COVID-19 pandemic on employee performance in PT Pegadaian Persero, moderated by Industry 4.0 based technologies. There are 5 sections that I'm going to present. First is research background, followed by literature review, continue by research methodology, data analysis, and the last one is conclusion. First section is research background. Starting with the COVID-19 pandemic that struck the world, as well as Indonesia, this pandemic had a significant impact on various industries, as shown by Nicole et al. In 2020. Most organizations have faced a significant reduction in their demand, resulting decrease in revenue and aggravated unemployment in most countries. In the context of PT Pegadaian Persero, there is decreasing in net profit by 34.93% from 2019 to 2020. This decreasing of net profit influenced job insecurity in the forms of fear of losing their jobs. Furthermore, the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic has also forced the government to implement restriction regulation such as the PSBB and PPKM to limit social movement in Indonesia as an attempt to reduce the number of ongoing COVID-19 cases. As a consequence, companies implement work from home policy where employees need infrastructure and equipment to support working remotely. One of them is a virtual connection. In this virtual connection, there is some need of internet and online platform, as well as Industry 4.0 technologies, such as cloud computing, to support employees to work remotely. Additionally, from the work from home policy, there is a new environment to work at home, called home office environment. Employees are forced to adapt their ways of working in their own homes. Furthermore, employee performance, according to Graves and Karabeeva, change in work habits as it has the potential to affect their employees' mental, cognitive, and physical well-being, thereby affecting their performance. And confirmed by Boychenko and Timchenko that COVID-19 has a detrimental effect on employee performance, as shown by 46% decline in their performance. For research question number 1, what is the impact of COVID-19 work implication on employee performance in PT Pegadaian Persero? And research question number 2 is, what is the impact of Industry 4.0 based technologies on the relationship between COVID-19 work implication and employee performance in PT Pegadaian Persero? For the scope and limitation, the first is employee of PT Pegadaian Persero at head office, and the second being employees of PT Pegadaian Persero who work remotely during the COVID-19 pandemic. Next, moving on to the literature review. Narana Murthy and Tortotella in 2021 conducted research on the impact of COVID-19 on employee performance in 5 sectors. One of them was financial services. They measured 3 aspects for work implication of the pandemic, COVID-19 pandemic, which are job insecurity, work office environment, and virtual relationship. In addition, there is employee performance. According to Wayne and Paris in 1990, and recently in 2021, the assessment is again reapplied by Iketut Setiasarta et al. There are 5 ways to assess performance, which are job knowledge, initiative, mental proficiency, attitude, and job performance. There is Industry 4.0 based technologies. According to a journal by Narayana Murthy and Tortotella in 2021, there are 4 Industry 4.0 technologies that commonly used. In the context of PT Pegadaian Persero, they use only 3 out of those 4, which are cloud computing, Internet of Things, and big data. The variables that will be used in this research are COVID-19 work implication as independent variable, employee performance as a dependent variable, and Industry 4.0 based technologies as moderation variable. Hypothesis number 1 is COVID-19 work implication are significantly correlated with employee performance in PT Pegadaian Persero. And hypothesis number 2 is Industry 4.0 based technologies moderate the relationship between COVID-19's work implication and employee performance in PT Pegadaian Persero. Moving on to research methodology, data was obtained from primary data and secondary data. For primary data, researcher used direct data from questionnaire survey respondent with a total of 153 respondents at the head office of PT Pegadaian Persero. For secondary data, researcher used trusted data from trusted and relevant source of information, such as journal, reports, thesis, and annual reports. Next is instrument. The researcher will gather general information about the respondent, such as gender, age, experience, division, and position of respondents. Then, researcher collect information about the COVID-19 work implication, such as job insecurity, home office environment, and virtual connection. Then, researcher collect information about employee performance, such as job knowledge, initiative, mental proficiency, attitude, and job performance. Then, researcher collect information about the level of implementation of Industry 4.0 based technologies at PT Pegadaian Persero, such as cloud computing, Internet of Things, and big data. 153 samples were utilized with 0.05 level of significance. As a result, each question met the criteria for validity test. Additionally, the data processing result indicated that all instruments passed the reliability test. Moving on to the data analysis. From 153 respondents, 59% of respondents dominated by male, and the rest 41% were female. 45% of respondents dominated by age 21 to 31, followed by 32 to 42, 43 to 53, and above 53. 55% of respondents dominated by years of work experience 1 to 10, and followed by 21 to 30, 11 to 20, and above 30, and under 1 year. 48% of respondents dominated by first-line management, and followed by middle management 1, middle management 2, staff, and senior management. 13.1% of respondents dominated by IT division, and followed by other 25 division. Next, simple linear regression. Simple linear regression was used to test the relationship of the independent variable on the dependent variable. As a result, 1 unit increase in COVID-19 work implication will increase employee performance by 0.569. Thereby, COVID-19 work implication significantly correlated to employee performance. Next, coefficient of determination. Coefficient of the determination was used to test moderation variable, whether it's strengthening the relationship of independent variable and the dependent variable based on the L-square value and in model 1 obtained by 14.1% and R-square in the model 2 obtained by 26.2%. So that it can be concluded that the presence of moderating variables could strengthen and increase the influence of the COVID-19 work implication on employee performance. To summarize, hypothesis number 1 is accepted, as shown from significance value for hypothesis number 1 is under 0.05. COVID-19 work implication significantly correlated with employee performance in PT Pegadaian Persero, and hypothesis number 2 is accepted also, as shown increase in R-square value with and without moderation variable. Industry 4.0 based technologies moderate the relationship between COVID-19's work implication and employee performance in PT Pegadaian Persero. Moving on to conclusion. From the data analysis, the findings indicated that The COVID-19 work implication positively correlated with employee performance, and moderation of Industry 4.0 based technologies will strengthen the relationship between COVID-19 work implication and employee performance. After learning the findings of the study, the need for knowledge and skills for virtual connection needs to be learned. PT Pegadaian Persero is recommended to provide internet allowance to meet its employee internet access requirement and provide training for virtual connection activities such as email, phone, online platform, and website usage. PT Pegadaian Persero is recommended to conduct a sharing session amongst workers to learn about one another's problem and offer a solution to one another for home office environment. Additionally, training on their comfort of working from home is recommended to ensure that employees work comfortably. The training carried out such as making a working studio to ensure that the lighting and sound in the online video platform stay optimal. And additionally, an equipment super program is recommended to ensure that every employee has access to the facilities and equipment needed to do their jobs, such as laptop or computer. Moreover, to address job insecurity, PT Pegadaian Persero is recommended to maintain management transparency about the company's condition in order for employees to get accurate information. Then counseling is recommended to monitor their mental health. PT Pegadaian Persero is also recommended to provide training to enhance employee abilities to use Industry 4.0 technologies, such as using Pegadaian application online system and Pegadaian data center. That's all from me. Thank you for your attention.